team will have 3 members each. Basically, we have 5 rounds. 3 rounds will be question for each team, and the last 2 rounds will be buzzer rounds. Basically, every question I'll appoint one person from one team to answer. So that person, the entire team, whoever's question is going on, has to keep their videos on, and the person who will answer uh, that person will only answer whoever I appoint. Uh, the breakdown of the answers are, so correct answer, there are different marking for different rounds. So the correct answers will gain you 10, 20 and 30 according to different rounds. Correct, so there are pass on questions also. So the pass on question, correct answer will be 5 marks, and for wrong answer or no answer there will be 0 or negative marking. In case some other team member prompts the answer with, if it's not their question and they prompt the answer, they straight away get -5. So the last 2 rounds will be buzzer round. So what you have to do is, I'll give you a like standard number or something. You have to put that number on the chat box. Whoever puts that first, I will ask that team to unmute and answer. No one will put answers on the chat box. Remember this thing. So suppose I give you like a full stop. So I'll ask you the question. Whichever team knows the answer has to send a full stop on the chat box, and then I'll tell that team to put an answer. Okay? Okay, so the first round is Filmi Gyan. It is a very simple round. One question will be asked to a team. So question 1 will be asked to team 1. You all will be given 3 options and 10 seconds. So in 10 seconds, you have to answer. Team 12, Amar Akbar, Anthony, Ritik, Anirudh, and Kshitij. Okay. Your question is, Ritik, you will be answering. And your time starts now.
Dr. A.
Sure?
A. Sure और बोल मत मालूम है.
Okay, so let's check the answer.
लॉल ऋतिक.
ओप्स ऋतिक.
इसलिए मैंने पूछा किस बात की घाई थी तुझे.
हाँ ना.
अरे यार मेरे को लगा नॉर्मल मुन्ना भाई, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई पढ़ा नहीं है.
मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस नहीं बोला.
गलत बात.
ऋतिक नेक्स्ट लेवल इंसल्ट हुआ है. दिल से बुरा लगा सर, सॉरी सर.
हाँ ना.
ओवर एक्टिंग में गए रे बच्चे.
So team 12, you get 0 points. Okay, so now we move on to the second round. Okay, so second round is Pehchan Kaun. This round is really simple for everyone. So a feature of a famous actor or actress, and it can not actually actor actress, it can be any personality, famous personality from the Bollywood, and like maybe unka smile or hair or eyes, whatever will be depicted, and this round will follow the way it was followed in the first round. So every group will have one question and one person has to answer. And guys, तुम लोग WhatsApp पे discuss कर सकते हो एक दूसरे के साथ. It's not that जिसको बोला वही मतलब he only has to think and answer. The other person, if the other team members know the answer, they can help through WhatsApp. Okay, next question, anyone can answer, no one gets points.
Lara Dutta.
Okay, let's check. तो 2 बार तो नहीं आएगा ना, एक ही. Let's check.
Madhuri Dixit.
It's Lara Dutta.
Some points, please. Some points.
No points. तुम खुश रहो बस. So now next round is Dhun Lagi. So this round also is the same round, but now there's a big twist. So there'll be a tune of a song which will be played. You don't have to guess the song. You have to tell me the name of the movie, the actor, and the actress. Okay. So Basically, your marks will be divided accordingly. So if you answer the movie right, you get 10 points. If you answer the actor right, you get 5 points. And you answer the actress right, you get 5 points. If you answer all three right, you get 20. Or else we'll divide it accordingly. So this is for team 7 for teachers. Play.
ये मालूम है मगर
अच्छा ये सॉन्ग है रश के कमर.
यस
तो सॉन्ग का मार्क्स नहीं है लेकिन मूवी और एक्टर एक्ट्रेस का मार्क्स है.
अच्छा तो मूवी का नाम है बादशाह. अभी उसमें बहुत सारे एक्टर है, किसका भी दोनों का नाम चलेगा ना?
चलेगा.
तो अजय देवगन एंड ईशा गुप्ता एंड
ईशा गुप्ता.
इलियाना डिक्रूज.
यस
Okay, let's check. Yes, you're right. So, team 7, you get 20 points.
believing that.
So, in this round, Isha, can you just keep the slide off? Yeah. So, fourth round, like guys, it's a buzzer round. So, what will happen is this will be general questions. There are 8 questions. Whichever team answers correct, you all get 20 points, and we have negative markings for this. So, what you have to do is once the question is put up, the first team, whoever puts a full stop in the chat box, will get to answer. Okay, so suppose now team Masti Zade, they put the full stop for the first question. So we'll tell them to. हम try कर रहे हो क्या?
I'm giving you an example to tell.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. So ऐसे निकिता मैम की तरफ full stop डालना है if you know the answer. We'll tell you to unmute and answer. So there is no passing. If you get wrong, you get -5, and if you get correct, you get 20 points. And the second team who sends the full stop also doesn't get to answer in this.
Can I?
Yeah, you won't get points. किसी को भी answer करना है करो.
Yeah, I think should Desi Romance.
No. Any other answers? Teachers?
Is it Raja Hindustani?
No. Any of the teachers want to answer?
No.
Rang De Basanti.
No.
Made in
Ritika?
India.
No.
Desh Prem.
It is Desh Premi.
Seriously?
Yes, of course. And now we're moving on to the last round, which is also a buzzer round. But this round won't be having emojis. There'll be analogies, normal question round, and it'll be having relation analogy. So before moving on to the questions, I will just tell you how it is. So analogy is basically like, I'll give you an example. So suppose Dash is to Shraddha Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan is to Taimur Ali Khan. So you have to fill up the dash. Did you all get the question?
Yeah, bro, it's Shakti Kapoor.
Okay. So yeah, this is the example that I've given. So ऐसा होगा, and there'll be like questions also, and also there is one part where a Hindi music will have an English translation. So you have to guess the Hindi music, the Hindi song. Okay. So and the question part, like the part where you'll be answering for the question, you'll get only 15 seconds. So once you send that full stop again, and this also you have to send full stop, and the team who sends first will be answering. And if they're not able to answer, they get -5. And the team that answers, the team who answers correct will get 30 points in this. If you answer wrong, it is -10. Right. So, okay, so now we'll be starting this. Anyone has any doubts?
And even
Okay.
Saloni, the second team, like if the first team doesn't answer, the second team gets 20.
Yeah.
And if they answer wrong, it's -5.
So, like suppose एक टीम ने full stop भेजा, उनको आंसर नहीं हुआ, so they get their minus, and the second person who has put the full stop will get to answer in this. If they answer correctly, they get 20 points. If they answer wrong, they get -5. Okay, so and they will, so एक बार full stop भेज दिया, and then you can't take your time to read the question. Okay, जैसे ही full stop भेजा, I'll tell you to unmute and answer. You have to answer. You can't take your time. Okay. So next question. Via Jain, answer. Via and team, answer.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so it is what is the name?
Raj.
Padmini Kohli.
Sorry.
आर्ची स्कोली की कौन है वो?
What? No.
कुछ भी
अरे
Okay.
no.
So one second. Your time's up, Priya.
Sorry.
Your time's up. Nikita Parekh. Sorry, one second. Sorry. One second. Sorry. Nikita, no. It's Ritik Singh. One second. 1 minute.
Bro, I didn't
Nikita
send the full
only.
stop. Nikita Parekh only sent.
No, 1 second. 1 minute. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Nikita Parekh.
Yeah, it's Padmini Kolhapuri.
Correct. So,
Listen, that
team
is what I
five,
said.
you said Padmini Kohli.
Sorry.
So team 5 gets -10, and team 9 gets 20 points.